Okay. Today we are dealing with Pratyayas. What is Pratyaya? Already you know. Okay, it is in English we can call it as suffix. No, yeah. And suffixes, already we know that suffixes can be different types, and those all the things we know, isn't it? It can be vibhakti, it can be lakara, and these are the things we know. We know already what is vibhakti and what is lakara, and we have by hearted also about vibhakti and lakara. And we know karakas also, we know different lakaras meaning, purusha, vachana, these all things we know. And here in pratyaya topic, especially we are dealing with the pratyayas which will be changing the dhatu to kriyapada to namapada. The dhatu will be changed to avyaya or namapada here. Okay, those we are seeing. We are not seeing vibhakti pratyayas here, or we are not seeing lakara pratyayas. Those are in different. In shabda rupa, dhatu rupa, we have learnt them. Okay, in karaka we have learnt vibhakti meanings. Here main focus is on the pratyayas which are adding to dhatu, and they are changing that dhatu to avyaya or namapada. And which all those in your syllabus, whichever are there, I have just listed them. Avyaya, which will be creating avyaya, those are three: Ktva, Tumun, Lyap. Which are creating a namapada, they are 12 in number. In that also, first 6 are one type of categories, second 6 are one type of categories. Okay. First 6 are Ktavatu, Ktaha, Tavyat, Aniyar, Shatru, Shanaj. The second group is Lyut, Nvul, Ktin, Ghany, Ach, Up. Okay. These 15 pratyayas mainly for BAMS we can list. In this Ktva, Tumun, Lyap, these three will become avyayas. Okay, and what their use, how to use them, what is their meaning, we will be seeing next. And Ktavatu, Ktaha, Tavyat, Aniyar, Shatru, Shanach, these 6, their forms will be like namapada, but almost their work is like kriyapada. Okay, their form is namapada, their work is kriyapada. ರೂಪಗಳು ನಾಮಪದದ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅವುಗಳ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ these are one type of category. And 7th to 12, which all they are there, they will create pure namapadas. There will be no trace of any kriya rupa there. It will be pure namapada. Like that, these three types we can see in the pratyayas. One by one we'll go on seeing. Ktva pratyaya. Okay, in Ktva pratyaya, example is Sureshah likhati, Sureshah kridati. The same Suresha is first writing, and after completing writing he is going to play. ಸುರೇಶ ಮೊದಲು ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಮೊದಲು ಬರೆದು ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡೆರಡು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸುರೇಶ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಸುರೇಶನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, 2 ವಾಕ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಬೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸುರೇಶ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಸುರೇಶ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, Suresha plays. How we can add them? We can add them. Suresha plays after writing. Suresha plays after writing. Sureshanu odi aduttane. Same way, Sureshah likhitva kridati. Sureshah likhitva kridati. This is Ktva pratyaya. Okay. Mata tishtati, Mata pashyati. Mother stands and watch. Mother stands and watch. We can make like that also sentence. Mata tishtati pashyati cha. means both she is doing on same time. But here it's not like that. She stands and then she watches. Okay. Mata sthitva pashyati. Nintu noduttale. Saha, and it can be continuously we can use this tva pratyaya and we can make a very big sentences. Saha griham gacchati, upaharam khadati, kridati, duradarshanam pashyati. The same person, first he goes to house, then he will eat something, he will play, and then he will watch the TV. Then together it will become Saha griham gatva, upaharam khaditva, kriditva, duradarshanam pashyati. Okay, this is the Ktva Pratyaya, which will be giving the meaning when the same karta is doing multiple works. The previous works which are completed, they will get Ktva Pratyaya. Okay. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಕರ್ತ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ ಮೊದಲು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ತ್ವಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯದಾ ಏಕಃ ಏವ ಕರ್ತ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಂ ಕರೋತಿ ತದಾ. ವೆನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ when the same karta, ekah eva karta, same karta is doing multiple works, different works, then this will come. Purva kriyayah krite ktva pratyayah. The previous works whichever are there, those all will get ktva pratyaya. Ktva pratyayasya anantaram dhatuh avyayah bhavati. After tva pratyaya, it will become avyaya. Means there is no difference in linga, vibhakti, vachana, kala, purusha. All there is no difference. In pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga also it will be tva only. In ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana also it will be tva only. In bhuta kala, bhavishyat kala, vartamana kala also it will be tva only. Everywhere it will be tva. Okay. Therefore, after adding tva pratyaya, the dhatu will become, the tva pratyayanta shabda will become avyaya. Yatha patha ktva. Patha dhatu is there. We are adding tva pratyaya. The common dhatus, whichever are there, they will get itva. Like patha, likha, khada. Okay, these are the dhatus which are very common. Those will get itva. Patha, ktva, pathitva. We should remember some of the special dhatus which will not become ktva. Most of the times akaranta kriyapadas will get itva and others all will get only tva. Okay. Da dhatu will become dattva. Kru dhatu will become krutva. Drish dhatu will become drishtva. Why? Ta has become ta here because behind there is sha. That sha is making ta to ta. That is tutva sandhi. Okay. Therefore, it is becoming drishtva. Like this, there will be some small changes in some of them. Labh will become labdhva. Labha dhatu will become labdhva. Dha will come instead of ta there. Labdhva. Okay. Like this, some special dhatus will be getting changes. We should remember those list. Okay. What type of questions will come on that? That also we should know because we are concentrating on the exams only now. The questions will be these different pratyayas. It is told to make sentence. Like pathitva, use in your own sentence. Okay. 5 questions will be there in different pratyayas and you have to make a sentence using them. The first task will be. Another task will be any one dhatu will be given. For that dhatu, you have to add any 5 pratyayas here. Those 5 pratyayas will be from first 2 groups only. The third group will not come to write the pratyayas. Just you have to write the pratyayas. Okay. Last class when we were seeing the first paper, we have seen there, use this dhatu in different pratyayas. Isn't it? Out of these 9, any 5 will be asked. These 9, out of these 9, any 5 will be asked. Okay. And next we will have some MCQ questions on these all 12 pratyas. There are some more also which will be making pure namapadas also and added to namapada only. Those we will see afterwards. First we will concentrate on these which will be changing the dhatu. Okay. And these are called as kridanta. The name of these pratyas are kridanta. Okay. Just it is named like how we have vibhakti, lakara. Same way these are called as kridanta pratyayas. Okay. Then we have seen the rules. Once again we will see. Ktva pratyayasya padasya ante tva iti bhavati. All words will be having tva at the end. Maybe because of sandhi reasons it may be getting tva or dhva here and there, but most of the times it will be tva at the end. Therefore easily we can identify ktva pratyaya. The pratyaya's name is Ktva. K, T, V, A. Ktva. Okay. And K is not counted here. In all the pratyayas it is like that only. All alphabets are not counted. Only some aksharas are counted in that. Okay. Therefore it will become Tva. Tva will be added to the dhatu. Okay. Samanya dhatu, which all are akaranta shabdas, those will get itva. Okay. Akaranta not everywhere. Like pa dha dhatu will become datva, pa dhatu will become pitva, pa dhatu will be pitva, dha dhatu will become datva only. Okay. Tva sthane itva iti bhavati. It will be itva. Okay. Example: dhavitva, chalitva, grihitva. These are the examples. Most of the dhatus will be getting itva. Okay. And vishesha dhatu, akaranta bhinnas. If dhatus are not ending with a, then they will be not getting e. Like dhru is dhatu, it will become dhrutva. Shru is dhatu, it will become shrutva. Vada dhatu will become ukkutva. This is special one we should remember. Vada dhatu will create not vaditva, it will become uktva. Uch it will become, and for that tva pratyaya when we add, it will become uktva. Okay. Uchyate is kriya, this one. Karmani prayoga rupa of vadati is uchyate. It will not become vadyate. It will become uchyate. Okay. Pathati pathyate, likhati likhyate. Same way vadati uchyate. Same way vadati ktva pratyaya, it will become uktva. This is one special. Like this, the special dhatus whichever are there, which are very common one, we should know them. Then we can easily write in the 5 marks also, and while sentence making also we have to know how to make the sentences. Okay. Next. Clear? That list I will show when after 3-4 pratyayas. Okay. Yeah. This is the list examples we have. Dhatu, lakara and its pratyaya rupa. Dhatu is chal. Its lakara rupa is chalati. And its ktva pratyaya is chalitva. Okay. Vada, vadati, uktva it will become. Okay. Likha, likhati, likhitva, common one. Stha is dhatu. Okay. Tisthati is a kriya pada rupa, and sthitva will be the tva pratyaya rupa. Drish is a dhatu. Pashyati is kriya pada rupa. Ktva pratyaya will be drishtva. Therefore, we have to see what is the dhatu, not what is the kriya pada rupa here. On dhatus only these are becoming. Okay. D is dhatu, it is becoming daitva. Sev dhatu will be becoming sevitva. La, chala, vada, likha, seva, these all are ending with a. Therefore, itva will become. And Tha also a it is ending, therefore it will become itva. Only da dhatu is different. Da dhatu will become datva. Okay. Drish will become drishtva. D dayitva. These are the Ktva pratyanta rupas. Can we go to next pratyaya? Okay. Next pratyaya is called as Lyap pratyaya. Lyap. In that Lyap, La is not counted, Pa is not counted, only Ya is counted. Okay. What is the thing? It is whenever it is meaning is same. Chhatra shalam gatva patati. Student goes to school and reads. Okay. After going to school, she will read. The same thing, Chhatra griham agatya kridati. What is the difference? Here only pure kriyapada was there, pure dhatu was there. Here that is the adding of upasarga. Which are the upasargas? Pra, para, upa, ava, ang, nis, nir, dus, dur, vi, ang, api, abhi. These 22 are upasargas. Isn't it? 22 upasargas are there. Those upasargas, when they are added to dhatu, the upasargas will be changing tva to lyap. Means we should not use tva that time, we have to use ya. Okay, that is the rule. Therefore, Chhatraha griham agatya kridati. It will become gam dhatu is very special. We should remember in all pratyayas what will be the form for gam dhatu, because gam is dhatu, ma is there, and in kriyapada it will become gacchati, cha will come, and in pratyayas it will become tya, agatya, gataha, gantum, like that ta will come. Therefore gam dhatu is very commonly asked, and it is having different forms in different pratyayas, different places. Somewhere it will become gacchati. The same gam dhatu in bhavishyat kala it will not become gachishyati, it will become gamishyati. In lrit lakara bhavishyat kala gam dhatu will become gamishyati, and in other all lakaras it will become gacchati, agachat, gacchatu, gacchet. Cha will be there. Only in lrit lakara it will become gamishyati. And in pratyayas also same. Most of the pratyayas it will become ta, gatva, gantum, agatya, like this. In few pratyayas it will become ga only, ma only. Okay, gamaniya, like that. In few pratyayas it will become ma only. Therefore, gam pratyaya is one of the gam dhatu is one of the special dhatu which will be having different forms. Kru pratyaya may be asked more here, because kru pratyaya is commonly used. Pa and da are other two more important pratyayas which will be having different forms. Pa and da. Okay. Shru dhatu, shru pradhatu is one of the main dhatu which can be asked. Shrunoti, like this. Okay. Some of the vada dhatu also we should see. Vada dhatu has different forms. As I told, vada will not become vaditva, it will become uktva. Okay, same way in other places also it will be changing. Therefore, vada dhatu is one of the special. These dhatus we should be knowing what is the form. Okay, and here lyap pratyaya I am coming back. Lyap pratyaya is added instead of tva pratyaya, means meaning is same. The same person is doing multiple works. The previous works which are having upasarga, they will get lyap pratyaya. Okay, lyap pratyaya will be only ya will be remaining. For the dhatu we have to add ya. Gam is dhatu, it will become gatya. However, upasarga is compulsory here. Therefore, we have to add any one upasarga to make lyap pratyaya. If in exam also, when it is told to add lyap pratyaya, then we have to add one upasarga to that dhatu and write lyap. Like gam dhatu, use ktva pratyaya, we'll make gatva. Use lyap pratyaya, we have to make agatya. We should not make or sangatya, pragatya, vigatya. Any one pratyaya we have to, any one upasarga we have to add this lyap pratyaya. Okay. Sarve hastam kshalayitva bhojanam kurvantu. All wash your hand and then have the lunch. Okay. Here sarve hastam prakshalya bhojanam kurvantu. Pra upasarga is added. Meaning is same. Kshalayati means also washing. Prakshalya means also washing only. But here pra upasarga is there. Therefore we have to avoid ktva pratyaya and we have to add lyap. Sarve hastam prakshalya bhojanam kurvantu. All wash your hands and then have the lunch. Okay. Chhatraha sthitva prarthayanti. Students will stand and pray. After standing they will pray. Okay. Chhatraha sthitva prarthayanti. Stha dhatu ktva pratyaya, it will become sthitva. And chhatraha pratah kale utthaya prarthayati. After waking up, utthaya. Uttu upasarga is added here. Therefore lyap is added. Tha dhatu, therefore it will become utthaya. Only ya is added. Kshala dhatu, it has become kshalya. Gam dhatu, it has become gatya. Therefore for dhatu we have to add just ya, then it will become lyap pratyaya. Upasarga sahita dhatoh krute ktva sthane lyap pratyaya bhavati. Lyap pratyaya is added to upasarga sahita dhatu. Which dhatu is having upasarga, for that we will be adding. Instead of ktva we are using lyap. Means same meaning. The same person is doing multiple works. The previous works all will get the tva pratyaya. Lyap pratyayasya anantaram dhatuh avyayah bhavati. Once again this also will become avyaya. Lyap pratyaya yuktasya padasya ante ya iti bhavati. We can see ya here. Okay. Da dhatu will become daya. However, we have to add upasarga. Therefore, ang da lyap, it will become adaya. Ang is upasarga, da dhatu lyap pratyaya, and it will become adaya. Adaya means after bringing. Okay. Tandu vicharya. Vichara dhatu lyap pratyaya, vicharya. Vicharisi, after thinking. Pra ap lyap, prapya. Ap is dhatu, pra upasarga, lyap pratyaya, prapya, padedu, after getting. Svi kru lyap, svi is upasarga, kru dhatu, lyap pratyaya, svi krutya, after taking, tegedukondu. Vichalyap, vichalya, okay, after having any, after mood, it will give the meaning. Vichalati, after mood. Okay. These are the lyap pratyaya examples. If any confusions, if any doubts, want to repeat, you have to tell. Otherwise, I will go on telling. Okay. This is called as lyap pratyaya. This lyap pratyaya's forms are given here. Okay. Chal dhatu will become vichalya. Vad dhatu, there is no famous lyap pratyaya forms, therefore I have not given. Likh dhatu will become vilikhya. Stha dhatu will become samsthaya. Drish dhatu will become samdrishya. D dhatu will become uddiya. Sev dhatu will become samsevya. The upasargas can change. It is not that chal I should make only vichalya. I can make achalya, prachalya, sanchalya. Any upasarga can be added, but ending form will be same. Chalya, likhya, sthaya, drishya, diya, sevya. These are same. and no visarga or anuswara with this. It is avyaya, it will be as it is. There are different words which are with visarga. They are giving different meaning. Okay, like drishyam, we know. Drishyam is having different meaning. It's not the same as sandrishya. Okay, because sandrishya is only a and it is avyaya. Avyayas will not be having any forms. Therefore, we can't add visarga or anunasika. But drishyam is having anunasika. It is prathama vibhakti. Okay, and that word is only different. Looking same, but that is different pratyaya. Okay, therefore, here in Lyap pratyaya will not be having any anuswara or visarga. Only we will be having ya at the end. Okay. The same rule, the common dhatus, nowhere it will be getting here e. Lyap pratyaya will not be getting any e or anything. Directly we have to add ya for the dhatu. Okay. Most of the dhatus, the akaranta dhatus, it will become sanyuktakshara. Lya, vichalya, sampathya, agatya, sanyuktakshara it will become. With the last letter, whichever is there, ya will be added with that and it will become sanyuktakshara. For akaranta and ikarantas, it will become samsthaya, uddiya, like this. Sandaya, pradaya, adaya, like this it will become the common one. Okay. Next we have Tumun pratyaya. Tumun, here also na and u are not counted. Only tum will be remaining. Tum hi reh jate ho. Tum will be remaining. Okay. What is this pratyaya's meaning? Here what it means is some work is done. Why that work is done? When the answer is one more work, then it will become Tumun pratyaya. Balakah kriditum kridanganam gacchati. Balakah gacchati. Boy is going. Balakah kridanganam gacchati. Boy is going to the playground. Why he is going? To play. In English, what we will use? To and verb. To play. To dance. Okay. To read. In English, we will be using to. With the verb, not with the noun. With noun, which to we are using, that is chaturthi vibhakti. Okay. Given to boy means that is balakaya dattam, chaturthi vibhakti. To with the verb which will be using. To when we are using with verb, in that place we have to use in Sanskrit tum. Okay. In Kannada we will use lu, odalu, adalu, tinnalu, hogalu. We will use lu in Kannada. Okay. Therefore, balakah kriditum kridanganam gacchati. He goes to ground to play. Sa patitum shalam gacchati. She goes to school to read. To read, she goes to school. Shikshakah chatrebhyah uttaram lekhitum vadati. Teachers tell students to write. See here, to write he will tell. Okay. Aham jnanam prapt. Okay, that one we'll see. Is it clear here? These three sentences. What will happen when the work is done to complete some other work? Okay. The main work will be here. It will be getting Tumun pratyaya. What he wanted to achieve. Because of that, he has done this work. After completing this, he is doing some other work. Okay. To complete that work only, he is doing this. That time. Karana will tell. Yake, why, kyun. If you are asking question and if answer is the kriya, the action is only answer, then it will become Tumun pratyaya. Balakah kriditum kridanganam gacchati. He goes to play. Okay. Next, when ichha is there, I want to do something, I want to achieve something. In that time also we can use tumun pratyaya. Aham jnanam praptum ichhami. I want to gain knowledge. Okay, whenever want to is there, that time also we can use tumun pratyaya. Praptum ichhami. Saha swagramam gantum ichhati. He want to go to his village. Okay. Mata putran santoshena drashtum ichhati. Mother want to see her sons with happy. Okay. Like this, tumun pratyaya, which will be meaning of reasoning. Okay. When why this work is done. If the reason is one more work, then we are adding tumun pratyaya. Next, कारणम अथवा इच्छा अर्थे तुमुन प्रत्ययः भवति. Therefore, tumun pratyay's meaning is karana athava ichha. When karana we are telling why, kimartham. In Sanskrit question will be kimartham, why. When we are asking the question, then we have to answer with tumun pratyaya. Okay. Karanam athava ichha ityarthe tumun pratyayः bhavati. Tumun pratyayasya anantaram dhatu avyaya. This also will become amvyaya. And pratyaya's name is tumun, but adding is only tum. Adding is only tum. Stha tumun, it will become sthatum. Gam tumun, it will become gantum. Kru tumun will become kartum. Okay, it will not become krutum, it will become kartum. Pathatumun, pathitum. Same like tva. Whichever dhatus are getting e for tva, here also the same rules will be there. Itva, itum will become. Wherever e was there in tva, here also e will come. Okay. Bhava tumun, bhavitum. Jna tumun, jnatum. Jna is one more kriya pada which is having different forms. Okay. Kru, shru. Okay, drish. Drish is also one more kriya pada which is having different forms. Drish in kriya pada form it will become pashyati, but dhatu form is drish. Therefore, in pratyayas it will be changing the forms. Okay, and this one also kru dhatu. However, I told jna also one special dhatu. Jna is a dhatu. In kriya pada rupa it will become janati. Janati, janitah, jananti. Therefore, this is also one special dhatu which can be asked in the exam for pratyayas. Okay. Visheshata. What all the specialities in this? This kimartham ityasya uttaram tumun bhavitum arhati. Tumun can be the answer for kimartham. Okay. Tumun pratyaya yuktasya ante tum iti bhavati. Only tum will be remaining here. Samanya dhatushu akaranta tum sthane itum bhavati. Dhava dhavitum, chala chalitum, graha grahitum, itum will be coming. Akaranta bhinna dhatus will be getting only tum, like dhr dhartum, kru kartum, shru shrotum. Vada will become vaktum. Okay. Uktva, u was there. It will not become uktum, it will become vaktum. That is one more speciality of vada dhatu. Vada dhatu is also special. It is having different forms. Now we have tumun pratyaya list here. All together we have here one dhatu. In exam also you have to write like this only. Okay. One dhatu will be given. Lakara you don't have to write, however, there. You have to write. Here 3 is given. Only avyayas I have listed here. And same way, another any 2 will be asked. We have to write those things. Likha dhatoho, tva, tumun, lyap and another any 2. Pratyaya rupani likhata will be the question. Then we have to write likha and we have to write liktva pratyaya likhitva, lyap vilikhya, tumun lekhitum. Like that we have to write. Okay. Chala will become chalitum. Vada will become vaktum. Likha will become lekhitum. Stha will become sthatum. Drashtum, dayitum, sevitum. These are the Tumun Pratyaya forms. Okay. Now meeting will be ending and we'll start once again. Okay. This is the all avyaya pratyayas we have learnt here. Krudanta avyayas. Ktva, Tumun, Lyap. Ktva means when the same person is doing